If you're currently taking this course as part of the Web Development Masterclass, you might recall that in the beginning of this course, we installed the WAMP or MAMP testing server on our local machine. We did this specifically to be able to test our developed PHP scripts on our computer without having to upload them to a production server. If you have not done so already, launch your WAMP or MAMP server. To do that, double-click on the icon that looks like this. This icon may be on your desktop, but if not, then you can access it directly from the file path listed below or through your Start menu. The server will launch and you will see a small icon appear on your system tray. When the icon turns green, it's an indication that the WAMP server has successfully started up and is running. If you need a refresher on how to configure the WAMP or MAMP server, refer back to our section on setting up your testing server. In order for us to test our scripts, we need to make sure that we store our PHP scripts inside the web root folder contained within the MAMP or WAMP directory. When you install WAMP, the main folder is typically created inside your C drive. So you'll need to open this folder. So I'll go ahead and access it. So here I'm in the C drive, and as you can see, I have the folder WAMP listed here. If you're on a Mac machine, you'll have MAMP. If I double click in there, we can see the www directory. This is a very important folder. All our websites need to be stored in this folder. It's referred to as the web root folder. It's best to organize all your websites inside this folder. So for example, if we have 4 websites, we would create 4 individual folders that would contain the contents of each site. For the purpose of this course, make a folder called PHP Lessons. We'll store all our PHP scripts in this folder so we can test them as we progress through the course.